releases Ultimate Cleaning Guide to keep Apple products coronavirus-free as the threat of the novel coronavirus continues to rise at a rapid rate. The world is trying to cope up by taking numerous measures to curb the spread of the disease. Amidst this bizarre yet horrendous time, many major tech companies are stepping up to help the consumers stay safe. Recently, we saw Samsung introduce the Galaxy sanitizing service to prevent the spread of COVID-19. Now, Apple has published an extensive guide on how to keep your Apple products free of virus. Apple, in their support blog, published an in-depth article titled How to Clean Your Apple Products on March 12. The company previously discouraged the owners to clean the products on their own. However, with the outbreak of the novel disease, the tech giant provided the consumers with the ultimate guide to clean their Apple products or any similar electronic products safely and efficiently. The article starts with the general cleaning recommendations and guidelines that apply to all of the Apple products, be it iPhones, Macs, the Apple displays, or the Apple Pencil. After this, the company has provided cleaning instructions for each and every Apple product there is in the market except one. With the inclusion of the nano texture coating, cleaning the Apple Pro Display XDR becomes a tricky task. So, this flagship display has its own dedicated article for the cleaning instructions that you can check out here. Now, each of the product lineups has its own dedicated sections that include the right cleaning procedures. There are 12 categories of devices, namely notebook computers, desktop computers, displays, peripherals, AirPods, HomePod, iPad accessories, Apple Watch, iPad, iPhones, and even iPhone cases. The display category provides the cleaning instructions to clean the Apple Thunderbolt display in previous gen models. As we know that a smartphone or a laptop might contain much more germs and viruses than a toilet seat, it is absolutely important to clean your devices from time to time. And during these times of turmoil, it becomes somewhat mandatory. So, if you want to clean your Apple devices or similar electronic devices, just follow the instructions of Apple's cleaning guide and your devices will be good to go. Thanks for watching our video, and I will see you in the next one.